friends, welcome to my channel MVcraftsnest. Today we are going to make colorful banner. First I choose these 4 colors for my banner today. I'm going to fold the white paper into half. You can use any paper for this project, any kind of paper, but you can use newspaper to roll it. Currently I'm going to fold it in half long way and just cut it out and then use a pencil to roll them. I take one half and roll it and glue it in the end. Put tiny bit of glue in the end to seal it and take the pencil out. Now do the same thing with the other white paper we have. I'm gonna make it, I have made it little fat so that I can insert the other one inside and make it like a long stick. One paper won't be enough, so we have to roll 2 to make it into a long stick. We're gonna cut it later with our desired length. Now let's take the actual paper which we're gonna do work on. I have used a paper to use as a ruler to show viewers that we don't need a ruler to do straight lines. And fold the bottom, just give a pin so you know which center is, and then around 3 inches I took the gap and draw a straight line from the center point, and do the same thing on the other side. As I'm not using the ruler, I have put a mark there and then I'm gonna do the other straight line. Now cut it out to give the bottom look. Take your pencil and gently draw what text you want or a design. It's up to you. I wanted to use this text in this time and I wanted to tell everyone, stay strong, we will get out of it. So I just want to say, stay strong. I've used my metallic Sharpie markers to do the coloring. I know it doesn't pop out when I use that color, but then later on when I added the shadow, it came out very good. First I added a very thin shadow, then I went on to very thick shadow. I didn't want a neat look, I wanted a very rough look. So I added the black very roughly. You can see I was not going for neat look at all. These are like garden banners or garden flags which they call. You can do it on the cloth, but this is a simple craft for kids which they can do and put it in their rooms. Whatever they want to write or draw on it. You can cut out the stickers also, but I just wanted to draw it. You can use the adhesive stickers, letter stickers you find, and draw a small design at the bottom. Don't make it very big, complicated design. Draw a very simple design, and then I drew the arrows. As you can see, I didn't go for straight lines again. The next thing is to add the frill at the bottom. I took the green contrast paper, then cut it into half and then cut small bits. It looks wonderful. I just want to give a bump up and then roll them up so that it looks like a frill, kind of a cloth effect. Like the threads, glue it on the diagonal bottom where we cut it. Glue it more than half the inch so you know that it's staying on. Don't just glue it in the corner, glue it on top of it, not at the back. And cut the extra piece at the bottom. And I have taken the yellow bright paper to cut some flowers out for the sides of the banner. I'm gonna cut it into half and then fold it and cut it again. I've shown you how I cut A4 paper and save the pieces so we can use them for later. So I have cut the half, folded it and folded it like 1-2 times. Now I'm gonna draw a flower, half flower in the one of the end with a pencil. You can draw any design, a leaf or something at the end, it's up to you. You can draw anything, but make sure you draw half so you know you're getting the other half of the flower. So I just cut it out. See, voila, we got 4 flowers. Now again I'm using Sharpie with metallic colors, the Sharpie metallic colors, to decorate my flowers. I used all 3 metallic colors. They turned out very wonderful. And now I did the border with the black. I'm cutting it in half and put the glue on the side, and then I'm gonna glue them this way. I'm not gonna glue the flowers the other way. I have glued the flowers this side. As I was not centering my text, the flower came a little bit on the tree and I cut it out and I did the marker again. Again, you can see I went for a rough look. I was not getting into detailed, clean look. And then the stick you made, use it to roll it and then fold it on the back. It's not gonna stick quickly, so I just put the glue and then I'm gonna move on how to hang it. You can use a thread. I have used the lace which I had, the ribbon I had, yellow ribbon. I wanted to use ribbon. For the other things I had used twine thread. So I cut the lace and then to the desired length. I'm gonna glue it with paper, so which will stay strong instead of me just gluing the lace down. If I put a paper on top, it's gonna stay strong and it's gonna keep the lace down. It's not very heavy, it's very light, so you can hang it with a push pin or just any small nail. Your kids will love to make their own banners with their own message which can go on. That's it, I'm done. Hope you like it. So these are the things I have done. Have fun. Stay strong. Let's do this. I hope you do it. Please post your pictures, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.